Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to sign up to Comerica Bank Online Banking on PC. Comerica Bank is American financial services company with 413 branches. To sign up to Comerica Bank Online Banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.comerica.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Comerica Bank. Now here you can see login option on the top right section. Click on login. Then here you can see enroll option. Click on enroll. With this, you'll be taken to sign up page. Now here you need to first set up for new customer. First, you need to enter date of birth by clicking on the calendar icon near the box. Then select your month, year and day. After this, you need to enter your primary account number. Enter your full primary account number on the given box. With this, you need to select your account type. Click on the given box. Then you can see various of account type like checking, saving, money market, certificate of deposit, home equity and loan. Click on any type of account that you want. I am going on with checking, saving, money market. Then you need to select the customer type, whether you are a personal or small business. I am going on with my personal. After that, click on continue setup. With this, now here you need to go through the process of authentication. You need to verify all your information. To do that, you need to first verify your phone number or mail address. You'll receive a OTP on your mail address. Now you need to enter your OTP that you have received on your mail or your text. Then you'll be able to authenticate your ID. With that, you need to view through terms and conditions of online banking. Then you need to create a web banking profile where you need to first enter your first name, last name, and then you need to create your password along with your username. After this, you'll be able to sign up. Now you'll get a confirmation message regarding your online access. With this, now you can log into your Comerica Bank. This is how we can sign up to Comerica Bank Online Banking on PC. This is it for tutorial, everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.